Hello students, we are going to see an essay of probability. As I have informed, there will be many essays depending upon die, depending upon cards and depending upon the coin, and also fourth type of essay. So that type of essay will be seen here. Again many some basics are there that I will be showing you as the problems I teach you. So the problem today we are going to see that is based upon the one of the conditional property, one of the conditional property of uh, probability. So just the formula I want to explain you. Probability of A by B or A stroke B. A by B or A stroke B is equal to probability of A intersection B by probability of B. What it means? It means that B value is conform. It means that B value is conform, but A value have more chances. B value is conform, A value have more chances. In the problem you will understand. P of A by B. P of A intersection B by P of B. What the problem value of P of A intersection B? Answer is P of B into P of A by B or A stroke B. Hoping that you have understood. This entire should be written here by P of B. P of B means sample space. All the values we have to write. Just copy down, just I will give 5 seconds for you here. It is said to be as conditional property. Conditional property of probability. Okay, now just coming to the question. The question is three boxes numbered 1, 2, 3 contain the ball as follows. Three boxes are there which have various balls. So what are the values of three balls? Three types of balls in three bags. In bag 1, bag 2, bag 3. White is 1, black is 2 and red is 3. In the same way, white is 2 in bag 2, black is 1 and red is 1. And white is 4, black is 5 and last one red is 3. So the question is asking is one box is randomly selected and the ball is drawn from it. One ball is taken from anywhere. If ball is red, we know what the ball is. Ball is red. Then find the probability of the box B. So we know we have to take a ball and that is red. Red ball is confirmed. But what could be the probability that the ball we have drawn is from bag 2? Three bags are there. From second bag we have to ring. We have to take. So one value we know and one value we don't know. So in this case we will use conditional property. Now just coming to the answer. Let B1, B2, B3 be the events of selecting 1, 2, 3 box respectively. Three events are there. 1, 2, 3 from three bags of three different boxes. Probability of B1 is equal to probability of B2 is equal to probability of B3 is equal to 1 by 3. Ball is taken. Red ball is taken. So three bags are there. So probability will be 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Entire box we will take is 3. So probability of 1 bag, 2 bag, 3 bag will be 3. So we are writing 1 by 3. So probability R by B1 or R stroke B1, that the R is red, is equal to probability of selecting a red ball shown from the first bag, fixed bag or first bag, it's first one. Yeah, see, first bag is there. How many balls completely? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And how many red balls are there? Only 3. So 3 by 6. 3 red balls by 6 balls. In the same way, P probability of second bag is R by P by 2. R stroke P by 2. Probability of selecting a red bag from second box is 1 by 4. 1 red ball complete 1, 2, 3, 4 by 4. 1 by 4. In the same way, probability of selecting the red ball from bag 3 is 3 by 12. 3 of red and complete are 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 by 12. Hoping that till here you have understood. Just I am giving 10 seconds for you. Write down here. Okay, now let's come to the formula which we are going to use here. Assuming that the ball is red, probability is it is from ball back to. So probability that is back to as I informed. Second one we don't know the exact value, and down one is no. Down one is R we know, and up one we don't know. So the formula is probability P2 by P of R2 as I informed. P of B. B is of second one. B is of second one, and A by B. A by B same we wrote. So P B2 by P R by B2. In the same way, by sample space entire one. Probability of B1 by R by B1, probability by B2, B1, B2, B3. Okay? R by B1, R by B2, R by B3. Like this you keep in the mind. So now just keeping the values, we will get the answer. P of B2 what is there? P of B2 1 by 4. 1 by 4. P of B2 1 by 4, and what the value we have got? 1 by 3. The same way P of B1 value, P of R by B1 value, P of B2 value, P of R by B2 value, all we have wrote here. 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3, and the what values we have wrote here, that we have to write. Now just taking 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 as common in denominator. Up is 1 by 3, okay? In denominator also we have taken 1 by 3 common, 1 by 3, 1 by 3 get cancelled. Here we will get 1 by 4 by all this. Just we should take LCM, we will get here, after equivalent to the LCM, 3 into all we have to multiply, you know. After getting LCM, we will get 12 by 12, that is 1. So anything number by 1 is the same, so 1 by 4. So the probability of getting a red bag from bag 2 is 1 by 4. Hoping that you have understood. Thank you.